Hi friends! Today I'm going to share with you how to make a printable Valentine's Day cootie catcher or origami fortune teller. This DIY craft is the perfect activity for your classroom Valentine's Day party or Valentine exchange. The Valentine is easy to print and fun to fold. Let me show you how. First, you will need to print the PDF file onto thick paper or cardstock. You can either give this Valentine as a flat activity for your friends, or you can cut it out and give it to your friends already folded and ready to play. To fold your cootie catcher, just flip it upside down and fold one corner to the opposite side, making a triangle. Open your fold up and fold again from the other side, making another triangle. Open that side up, and now you will want to fold each point into the middle. Fold one corner at a time, pressing firmly on the dotted white lines. Repeat this until all four corners are folded in and you've made a small square. Next, you will flip that square over and fold each corner into the middle just like you did before. Repeat this until all four corners are folded in and you've made a smaller square. Now you will fold your square into a rectangle. Open that fold and fold the other side into a rectangle too. Now you are all done folding. Just slip your fingers into the flaps, pointing your fingertips to the middle. Your cootie catcher is ready. All you need now is a friend to play with. Ask your friend to choose an animal, then pinch your fingers back and forth as you spell the animal's name. Pick an animal. Dog. D-O-G. Pick a number. 2. 1, 2. Pick another number. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick one last number. 6. Okay, then just open up the flap. You have a great smile. I hope you have fun making and playing with this Valentine's Day cootie catcher. If you want to buy this printable Valentine, visit our store Educating Abroad on either Etsy or TPT. Just follow the links in the description below. Wishing you a fun-filled Valentine's Day. Bye!